EVS, food safety. Food. What is food? We eat food 3 to 4 times a day. For example, breakfast, lunch, evening snack, dinner. Yes or no? So, we eat food 3 to 4 times a day. We get proteins, vitamins and fats from different types of food. Food help us to keep our body strong and energized. That is why we are able to play and study. Note, the food we eat must be healthy and cooked in clean vessels. How to clean food products? We must wash the vegetables and fruits 2 to 3 times with water to remove dust and the germs in it. Vegetables should be cut and cooked in a clean cooking vessel only after washing it. Fruits are eaten raw. Rice, dals and curries are made by cooking grains and pulses. Pulses means green peas, kabuli chana, matki, moong, etc. Note, grains and pulses need to be soaked and washed well before cooking. Why we should clean our hands and clean vessels? Utensils like plates, bowls, spoons, forks, etc. used while cooking and eating must be washed and cleaned properly. The kitchen should also be cleaned every day. Garbage should be thrown out daily and regular pest control is must. Serve small amounts of food first. Food should not be wasted. Always eat fresh food. Due to lack of time, some people freeze food items after cooking. That means they keep the food, leftover food in the fridge and use it the next day. When required, they heat it and eat. Eating frozen foods regularly is bad for health. Vegetables can be preserved in the fridge for 4 to 5 days. Why food should be covered? After cooking, the food should be kept covered till it is time for eating. Flies, ants, cockroaches and lizards can eat food. Sit on it. Their legs carry a lot of germs and dust. If we eat this food, we are likely to fall sick. Why we should avoid uncovered food? Food items which are available on streets and are not covered should not be eaten. These food items could have been infected with germs, carried flies and dust. Food infected by these germs give us stomach aches, make us vomit, suffer from diarrhea. We must buy food only from those shops which cover the food with a lid or a net. Always remember, we must always eat safe and hygienic food. Wash your hands before and after eating. Eat food that is kept covered. Thank you.